Alright, we go in motel because I know there's at least one here, and sometimes one spawns here. Oh my. Oh, you can walk with it too. Oh, this looks bad. That looks awful. Alright. Vending machine only. The new series. I think it's funny we got 3 wins trying to get a skybase that weren't skybase wins. We just won on accident, really. That's just proof how much harder an actual one is. It was 10 days and over 100 games. I gotta go back and count actually how many games it took us. Yo, y'all ever wondered what them lights are on them other islands for real? Which on this island here? What all's over there? I seen somebody comment the other day to play the new Fortnite that it's more fun and the fact of like there's more items and like stuff. But I would rather shove myself in a plastic bag and proceed to freaking have someone. Okay, that would have sounded really bad. Have someone. Okay, that would have sounded. Never mind. There's no way everyone's going to motel. Okay. So motel is now a hot drop. I see. Oh no, they're going up there. But that means they're going to take a leak and it's going to hit me in the face over here. Vending machine. You're trolling me. Not a single one spawned here. Oh, no, baby. Vending machine only, and the first gun is a purple pump. Okay. I literally talked up this place so much that every time I've been here, there's a vending machine. And, oh, my fault. I did not mean to do that. And there's not a single one here. Is this a joke? Better. Oh, that's great. Hearing that just floats my boat. Is it a bot? That's a bot. I'm gonna try to pickaxe him. Oh my god, a gold vending machine. I gotta get to it first, though. That's definitely 2 bots fighting. Bubba, I come in peace. Oh my. Alright, watch. Y'all watch this. If I can't have it, no one can. If I can't have it, no one can. Oh no, that's bad. Nobody. Alright, this is good. I thought about taking the RPG, but I'm going to be able to use this more frequently. Oh my god, I'm finding god loot and I can't even use any of it. I need like shadow bombs and rifts. Alright, band-aids. Alright, where's some more vent? By the end of this, I'm going to know where every vending machine spawn on the map is. Hoverboard would be nice. Where would a vending machine spawn? I have no range though, is the only thing. That chest is open, but this one's not. Vending machine. I think there's one on a little island down here sometimes. Possibly. I still do need mats. I don't know what I'm doing. Thought there was one. Maybe not, but there's 3 chests right there. Maybe some rifts or something. I thought there was one on that island. Can't use any of that. Can use them bandies. Can't use any of that. That's awesome. I think there is one over here. Thought it pops up an icon on your map though. How is there no vending machines? I swear, we skybased, I found 5,000 of them. I think there's always some with those little red, little fort things, I think. Oh, that's nice. Oh, there's one at the top of the map here. Hold up. I gotta get to it though. Every time I've been here, there's one. Right up here, this little red fort. Every time we've skybased up here, there's been one. So there's gonna be one now. This is the slowest thing I've ever seen. Oh no. Is there still one down here? No. Ain't that great. Awesome for what we're trying to do here. I feel like Spider-Man. This is awful. Alright, so vending machines went extinct after I found a single one. Okay. I know there's some at Dusty, but there's going to be 50 million people here. Oh, great. Get out of here. You're kidding me. Grow up. Is there one in here? My goodness. So, something's going on down there. Need a hoverboard, because this ain't getting away from nobody. Where would a vending machine be, bro? Unless they're all just opened already. No way. Nobody's even here. Look at all these chests. Balloons. Ooh, gliders could be nice. This was a good... I'm not going to complain all the way, because finding a gold vending machine first is actually pretty freaking good. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That is nice. Oh, dang, gold sniper. Oh, crap, where's my baller? Oh, campfire. Ain't no vending machines, huh? Oh my god, a gold one! Oh my goodness, gold pump or something. I'm gonna go here. Drop these. Oh crap, baller! Oh, it's a 162. This is great. Now I just have to hide to the last person. Actually, I'm not gonna tell. Y'all don't understand how bad I am at Fortnite. I am awful. That being said, taking out the only last person sounds much more accomplishable than legitimately winning a game. And I think there's hoverboards. Oh my god, there is. Get me out of here. Find me a little bitty building to hide in. That's bait loot. Oh my god, only 11 people. If I get this zone first game, I'm shoving it in Mitch's face. Oh. I wish my brain processed fast enough to where I thought about things before I said them. Until after I've already said it and then just sound stupid. Definitely people there. I've never been across that ice lake when there's not someone there. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Is flying around like this the best thing? Letting everyone know where I am? Probably not. But it's what we're doing right now. See where this next zone is at least. Alright, it's back there. So I'm gonna get up here at Polar Peak. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna let everyone have their little makeout sessions. Oh, and there's someone right there. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, beautiful. Wait, is the person up there though? Because if so, I'm cooked. Slow down. Oh. Jump him. I can't have any of his loot though. It's kind of pointless to try to kill him. Where did he go? If I had them balloons, it'd be nice. Bubba just hiding off the cliff there? Hopefully there's nobody above me. That'd be tragic. Either he's a oh, nope, he's not a Division 1 escape artist. Oh wow, he shot back at me. My aim is butt cheeks, oh my goodness. There's no point in killing this guy. Unless he's just a bot and peeks out and lets me take him. This dude, he has to have max shields. This is nuts. Oh, he does have a scoped weapon though. Get him! Please! Nah. Give me that. That's what I thought. I'm gonna go take his stuff though, just because I put in the work. Oh no. And I skipped right over it. That's awesome. May I reload my weapon, please? Nope. Okay. No problem. I need to hide. These hoverboards are loud. I feel like you see them from 50 feet, 50 miles away. That's where we're going. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Probably not wise. Probably not wise. Probably not wise. Considering there's literally someone camping on top of it. Get me out of here. Sorry, this had to be you. Oh, crap. Wow. What a I should have let that dude live. I'm a terrible human being. Oh, crap. That scared me. Okay, where am I safe? Cause I could. Oh wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? No. My hoverboard stay? Good girl. 5 people. If I get this done, this is nuts. I do have a sentry gun though. Sentry gun might be the play. Because a sentry gun still counts. I'm max. What am I doing? We good. And we got a crown. Oh, wait, the crown. Did it get the crown? Oh, the crown pings, doesn't it? Alright. That is the ideal spot. Someone is camping there. This, I could sit here, but there's literally not a single building in this. Yo, why do I have to pee again already? I drink so many of these Gatorades, I swear. And I have no time to pee, so I may just pee on myself. Duke it out. Let's go. Let me see some action. Make sure nobody's over here camping. Ooh. Alright, let me just creep up here. Dude, definitely camping there. Crap, I don't want to have to boost. Because the boost is so dadgum loud. Okay, I think I'm safe here. From, like, sniper shots. Unless there's someone creeping up on my buns over here. Alright, it's not hoverboard time. Oh. What am I doing with my life here? Just trying to weed him out. That guy didn't even shoot back. What is going on with that? He's gonna snipe me though. I want to have this in a new zone. Just to fight. Alright. Protected at all costs. My lord, Terry, what is is this gun's bloom just that bad? It's gotta be. Or should I just be tap firing like this? Got him. Simon Big Fart. Sorry, Bubba. Oh, they're duking it. They're duking it. Alright, hold on. I think I'm too high for this. Not like that. Ready? Let him fight. Sorry, Bubba. Oh my god, my aim is awful. Dead! Please don't get sniped. Where's his Bubba? Here he is. Gotta beat him into the spot. Crap. Oh my god. My aim is so bad. Let's freaking go. Play that piano. Mitch, first game. First game. Vending machine only. On to the next. 1-0. 1-0, Mitch. First freaking game. Let's go. 6 kills, too. With only vending machine loot. It's kind of wild. I did get bailed finding 2 golds off rip. That's crazy. Yo, we got to call Mitch. Hold up, hold up, hold up. See what the next one is. Oh, what did my dad just send me? Oh, chicks. Alright. Hold on.
What it do, boo?
Mitchell? So, I'm on stream, right?
Yeah.
I've been playing 2K, got on my first game of Fortnite, did the vending machine only challenge.
Yeah.
Absolutely crushed it. Game 1.
You're lying.
I own my mama. I will send you the tape. Own my mama. I literally found 1 gold vending machine at the motel off rip with a compact SMG, and then literally just camped the whole game and killed the last dude.
Oh, you suck.
1-0, buddy. What's the next one? Spill it live on stream. What's the next one?
Alright, so your next is what I told you. The no reload challenge.
I don't know. I don't understand that. What's the no reload challenge?
So, if you say you land very first of the game and you find a pistol, you don't have to pick up that pistol, but if you do, you can use it and everything. No matter what weapon you have, you can use it.
Okay.
But as soon as you run out of the clip, whatever's in it. So if you get a flint knock and you shoot once, you got to drop it.
Oh. Wait. Hold on. I want to say something, but I feel like you're gonna tell me no, so I may just use it as a loophole. So, okay. No, I'm not spilling that. So once you're out of the mag, right? Okay. So by definition, as soon as the character has to take the clip out of it and reload something, it has to be dropped before any of that goes down, right? Once it hits 0 in that little thing.
If you're trying to find a loophole like the bow or something.
No, because the bow can't, because he has to reload, put it back in there, and draw back, right?
Yeah, like you're probably gonna be a minigun.
Huh?
Your only loophole in this is gonna be a minigun. You don't really ever have to drop a minigun.
Chat, that's literally what I was getting at. It was gonna be the minigun. Oh no, never. I would have never thought of that.
See, I'm trying to think of your loophole now.
Oh no, that's exactly what it was. I just muted and told chat that's exactly what it was.
Okay, I was about to say, because like you can overheat, like your best friend's gonna be a minigun, but at that point you're playing the 1 gun challenge.
Wait, hold on. So if a minigun overheats, I have to drop it?
No. I won't do that to you.
Okay, I got you. All right, buddy. Well, I'm about to first game this one too, Bubba.
Oh, of course you are.
Oh yeah.
But I'm about to make a diaper bag for Lauren. Take it to her, and then come back.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, we can play when you get back, bro.
Nice.
All right, cool. Y'all heard it first. No reload challenge. Hey, you better be expecting a call here in about 30 minutes when I beat this one, okay?
Okay.
All right, peace.
That's it.
All right, no reload challenge. Let's go. We steaming. We steamrolling. Hold up.